Hey, I'm Tom. Today I'm going to show you the best way to capture gameplay footage. Here's a clip I took previously, and as you can see, I've got 4 distinct audio channels. One for the game, microphone, Discord, and Spotify. I can independently mute these tracks, I can increase or lower the volume, I can even cut out certain segments and mute them entirely. It's really powerful stuff. So, to set this up, we're going to be using OBS. OBS is free and open source software, and I highly recommend it. So here I've got a default OBS install. To kick things off, let's go ahead and open up Settings, go over to Audio, and we're going to disable everything in the Global Audio Devices section. After that, go to the Output section, scroll down to Recording, and turn on audio tracks 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and apply, hit OK to close out the window. Now, go ahead and add a game capture. Leave everything as default except for the Capture Audio checkbox. Make sure that one's turned on. Next, let's add the microphone, audio input capture, select your device from the list, and hit OK. To capture things like Spotify or Discord, use the Application Audio Capture feature. The only other thing we need to change here is to select Match Title, otherwise find window of same executable. This means even if the application changes its title, it'll still fall back to finding the application you need. This is particularly important for things like Discord. We'll go ahead and go through that same process and select Discord this time. Now, click the little gears to open up the Advanced Audio Properties window. Here's where we can take all of our sources and map them to a track. For our microphone, we'll put it on track 2. Discord gets track 3. The game will stay on track 1. And Spotify will put on track 4. Now, when we record, each of these different audio sources goes to their own channel where they can be modified, you can apply noise filtering, you can mute them entirely, or do really anything else you want in the editing process. Have fun!